What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we are going to be doing another episode of Reconstructed, which is exciting because we haven't done a Reconstructed episode in a really long time. Today we're going to be reconstructing the Amaretto Sour, and we are using Jeffrey Morganthaler's recipe. That being said, I've adapted this recipe a little bit. It's not quite the Morganthaler recipe, so if you want to see the Morganthaler recipe, you can go to his website, and the link resides in the video description below. First thing we're going to do is crack an egg into the large tin, because unlike the nightclubs and very much like modern day bartending, we are going to be doing an egg white sour for this. So crack it on in there. That was a nice break too. Sometimes you don't get blessed with a nice break, you know. Now I gotta put that somewhere where the yolk isn't gonna spill everywhere. Ah, come on, stand up. No, I don't want that. What am I gonna do with it? You know what? I'll grab this. Bam. Bam. Problem solved. Second thing we're gonna do is 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of lemon juice. And I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of 1-to-1 simple syrup. Now this is gonna be a little bit different than Morganthaler's recipe because he does 1 teaspoon of 2-to-1. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of cask-proof bourbon. Well, I'm just using 100 proof bonded bourbon. In this case, Evan Williams. And usually I would be using Lazzaroni Amaretto, but today we're using Di Serrano because that's what I have, and Di Serrano definitely works in a pinch. 1.5 ounces of Di Serrano. Whoa, cap tried to get away from me. And then we're just going to add that to our egg white. We're going to let it sit for a couple seconds. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get one of these guys, and I'm just going to go like this on my hands. Let that citrus go to work on the egg white. And then we're going to shake it. Dry shake it to emulsify it. So what we want to do here is aerate and emulsify the egg white to give it that nice frothy texture. Nice. Probably got some, we got some good foam on that. And then we're going to use 1 single dense cube. Drop it in there. Add it to the cocktail. Now, if the dense cube is really cold and you hear it crack in the tin, you want to let it sit for 10 seconds so that ice will reform, okay? And then we'll shake this. Nice. I am actually going to fine strain this. That was over there. So we pass it through a fine strainer. Ooh, just enough. Perfect. I'm going to clean up that glass a little bit. I just don't want to be too messy. And then, last but not least, I'm not sure if Morganthaler does this, but I like to do a little lemon zest on the top. Kind of rub the edges around there, rub the stem, and then just discard it. And there you got it. Jeffrey Morganthaler's Amaretto Sour. All right, guys, let's taste this Jeffrey Morganthaler's Amaretto Sour and see how it goes. Oh man, that is delightful. That is delightful. You get the amaretto. It's nice and foamy. Look at that, really thick meringue on top that we got. We got a really nice egg white foam on there. You use 1 ounce of lemon, so it's really citrusy and bright. This is an incredible cocktail. This would be a great nightcap cocktail. End of the night, you're just finishing up. You just want to have one of these and go to bed. This is it. Oh, that's good. It's really good. You guys should just stop what you're doing and just make this right now. Just go ahead and make it. Go. All right, see you later.